Hi, my name is Michaela. I'm a freelance plus model based in Los Angeles, California, and today I'm going to take you through what's inside my model bag. First off, this is my model bag. It is just a backpack bag from Lucy & Yak. I love that with this bag I can wear it as a backpack. I don't have to haul it around everywhere on my shoulder. Plus, I love this zipper on the outside for easy access. The most important thing for me is the zip at the top to make sure everything stays contained. Some people bring backpacks, some people bring large purses. This felt like a good happy medium to me. So let me show you what's inside. Right at the top, we have all of the essentials. I cannot recommend enough keeping all of your little essentials in a pouch together so you don't have to go digging around in your bag to find them. My grandma gave me this pouch. I really like it because it has a mesh on the top so I can see what I'm looking for inside the bag and make sure it's there. Let's take a look. First in the essentials bag is deodorant. This is so important. Obviously you want to come wearing deodorant, but it's also good to have it on set. You don't know if you're going to be working a hot day and you don't want to be stinky up in everybody's business. Make sure the deodorant you use and bring is an invisible deodorant so you won't get deodorant marks on the clothes. Test it at home first. On the note of smelling fresh, make sure to bring gum or mints. Honestly, I recommend mints way over gum because you don't want to be chewing gum on actual set. I would save the gum for going to and from set, not on set. If you have mints, you can pop one of those really quick on set to make sure your breath stays fresh. Lotion is a really important one to have on set. I've learned, especially in the colder months, you just want to make sure your skin looks hydrated and fresh and ready to go. If I really don't want to touch lotion because the texture is kind of weird to me, I do have a Vaseline all over body balm stick, and I feel like this is really good for on-the-go quick application. Some general good advice is to have little backups of makeup that you commonly use, so your favorite mascara and your foundation or concealer. I haven't run into this, but I've heard sometimes that makeup artists might not have your shade, especially if you have really dark skin or really light skin, so it's good to bring a shade that you know is reliable for you. Regardless of whether you bring makeup with you or not, make sure to have a chapstick or lip balm always handy. You don't want to show up to set with dry lips, you don't want to leave with dry lips, just carry a little chapstick around. Having it in this pouch helps keep you from losing it too, because chapsticks just kind of run away. Another thing I always bring is a tiny little hairbrush. If there's a hairstylist on set, then you obviously don't want to mess with the work they've done afterwards, but before, I like to come fresh. Also, if you're going home and you want to comb your hair out and there's hairspray and all that jazz, you might want something to comb it through with. I always bring hand sanitizer on set. There's no guarantee that there's going to be hand sanitizer on set or that you'll have a chance to wash your hands. You never know if your hands are going to get sticky or get something on them, or if you just want to have clean hands. Highly recommend carrying a hand sanitizer. I think you get bonus points if you have one that can hang off on like a strap from your bag. I also bring extra hair ties and a hair clip. The hair clip is mostly for when I'm going home if I want to put my hair up, but the hair tie is good to have just in case. A recent important addition to my kit has been nail grooming things. You want to carry around a file and nail clippers at minimum. My most recent shoot asked me to show up with fake nails on, so I make sure to bring the extra nails and any extra glue I might have as a part of that kit. Keep at least one Band-Aid handy. Bonus points if you can get one of those tiny travel kits that has a couple band-aids and maybe a wipe or two in it. You never know when you're gonna get a nasty blister from your heels or from something else on set. The last thing in here might be specific to plus models, but I like to carry some Megababe around in my bag. This is their thigh rescue stick, and I use it when I am shooting dresses so that I don't have any chub rub happening. Okay, there's a few more really important things in this bag. What's something almost every single model needs? A basic pair of black heels. Some people on the internet have hated these when I posted them, some have loved them. These are just some strap-on heels from Target. I'm pretty sure that these are 2.5-inch heels, which is a pretty fair heel for most places. You don't need to wear pumps everywhere you go, you know? They recommend having heels that are very easy for you to slip on, so if you have a nice black heel without the strap, that would work too. I should probably get one of those, but for now, the strappy blocks are my go-to. Next, you'll probably want some kind of garment bag. I'll probably have to upgrade to a larger bag sooner, but I've been using this random pouch I have. I have an extra pair of socks just in case. They've gotten a little wrinkly now, but a basic pair of nude seamless underwear is a really important staple to have. I might also bring a second pair of black underwear, preferably seamless as well, just to have alternate options. If you're doing swimwear or underwear, you might need like a thong to go underneath. I haven't run into anything like that yet. And then a new thing I've added based on advice from other people is a pair of skin-colored tights. I got these from Snag Tights, which are like really plus size friendly. So I'm having these on set with me just in case I need them. You always want to make sure to bring extra bras with you. I have 3 go-to bras for modeling: a strapless bra, a black bra, and a nude bra. For example, I'm wearing a black t-shirt bra right now, so I would take my nude t-shirt bra in my bag as well as my strapless bra. I should probably get a nude strapless bra soon. This is a really old black strapless bra. Can I tell you a secret? I'm pretty sure I wore this to my high school prom. It's really old. It's the only strapless bra I've owned, but this was a huge saver at my last shoot when I couldn't show bra straps, so make sure you have a strapless bra handy. Last few items are a water bottle to stay hydrated. If you have a reusable bottle, that's great. This isn't a necessity, but I highly recommend taking some kind of pain reliever with you, whether it be ibuprofen or acetaminophen. Take something that works for you. You also get brownie points with people if they have a headache and they ask if anyone has any, and you have some. The last thing in my bag is a little portable fan. A lot of people have hand fans, and that might be preferable if you're on a video shoot with audio, because this makes a little bit of noise. Look at how cute it is. Mine's shaped like a little bear. I got this on Amazon. I think I have it in my Amazon storefront. Basically, it opens like this and turns into a little personal fan. This is great to stay cool on set and not get hot and sweaty in clothes. This actually feels really good. I kind of want to leave it on. There's also 2 speeds on the fan. This is normal, and then there's a faster speed for those really hot days or when you're trying to cool down in between shots. Also good to note that these are not super painful blades or anything, so if your hand runs into them, it's not a big deal. I'm pretty sure it can also work as a phone charger. I haven't tried that out myself, but that is also an option. And I've never needed to use this, but you can also use it as a flashlight. And that is everything in my model bag. I hope this was helpful to you if you are a new or aspiring model. Even if you're just doing shoots on your own with your friends, these are some good essentials to bring with you anytime you go out to shoot. Is there anything in this bag that surprised you or anything you would want to add? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And while you're there, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to find me over on Instagram and TikTok as well at @MichaelaSmith. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!